In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make custom games on chess.com. Whether you're trying to practice specific endgames or just want to try out some creative chess positions, setting up a custom game is a fun and useful feature that chess.com offers. To get started, let's first head over to the chess.com website. You can simply type in the URL in your browser and it should take you to the home page where you'll find the option to play chess online for free. Once you're there, go to the top corner of the page and click on the login button. If you already have an account, you'll want to enter your username and password in the designated fields. For those who might have forgotten their login details or prefer the shortcut, you can also choose to log in using Google, Apple or Facebook, which can be really handy if you created your account using one of those platforms. If you've got a Gmail account linked with chess.com, simply click on it. Personally, I find using my Gmail account easy and convenient. After successfully logging in, navigate over to the Learn section of the chess.com interface. This is where you'll find various resources to improve your game, and it's also where we'll set up our custom game today. Next, you'll want to select Analysis. The Analysis tool is fantastic for delving into your games and moves, but today we're going to use it to set up our very own custom position. On the board that appears, you can begin to drag pieces to set up any position you'd like. This is where creativity meets strategy. You can arrange the pieces just the way you want to, either practice specific scenarios or experiment with unique setups. Once you've created your custom position, choose Practice versus Computer to play against the engine with your chosen arrangement. This is a great way to see how well your setup fares against an opponent who won't let anything slip by unnoticed. And if you're interested in getting a human touch to the game, you can opt to challenge another player. To do this, start a new game, select Custom, and then choose Custom Position/Odds to use your personalized board setup. That's all there is to it. By following these steps, you can construct and play out almost any chess situation you can imagine. Custom games are not only fun, but are a fantastic way to improve your skills and understanding of the game. So go ahead, give it a try, and enjoy the creative side of chess on chess.com. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed this guide, and leave a comment if you have any questions or suggestions for future videos. Thanks for watching and happy chess playing.